caution.
Good morning. It's not that you're going to school. Have you not gone late?
No.
Why is your face like this?
Nothing.
Okay. Yeah, now. Be going. If school closed, don't branch anywhere. Come back home straight. I don't want to hear that from school. You can branch in Jezebel house or you can branch in Lucifer house. Once school closed, come back home straight. If I notice that you miss 1% of your time, me and you enter one trouser and we'll fight very, very well. Did you hear what I'm saying?
Okay.
If your teacher is teaching you, you focus in class. Not that they'll be teaching you, you'll be playing with those your friends in class, Chibike and co. Don't play, focus, because if you carry last and come to this house this semester, me and you enter big shirt and I will beat you well. Did you hear what I said?
Continue.
Don't beg. If they give you food, don't eat. So that you will not eat winch and come to this house. Spiritually, I'll finish you. Did you hear what I said? Oh yeah, now.
But Mom, what of my food money, call?
Which food money?
Child.
Did you go to school to go and eat food? Or to go and read book? Go to school, Jared. Food money, come. Food money. Go to school.
You were not informed. Continue. No problem. God will see us. There is God. There is God in everything we are doing. Those bloods that are sharing in Pronu.
Wait, oh. Is it everyday school? Monday school, Tuesday school, till Friday. So someone cannot just rest. Okay, I know what I will do. I'm going to pretend as if I'm sick. Okay, that's what I will do. I know.
I'm with you spiritually.
You want to please others and displease us and displease yourself.
Chinedu, what happened to you?
Mommy, I'm sick.
Jesus, God forbid. Sorry, why did you not tell me that you're sick? So that you will not go to school today,
Child, there is God.
Chinedu, but your temperature is okay now. How did this thing happen?
Mommy, thank God for my life. Mommy, as I was going to school, my body was turning me. As I was going to school, my body was weak. It's only God that gave me the last strength to come back.
Continue.
So mommy, just give me 2 days. I'll be fine. I need to rest.
You think so they're wise?
Okay, no problem, You know what will happen? I will go and see nurse now. I will tell nurse to come and treat you fast. So that at least you can go back to school tomorrow. You hear?
Mommy, wait first. Mommy, I said that just give me 2 days. I'll be fine.
I know, but nurse will make the treatment faster. So that you will be okay and go back to school. Did you hear me?
Mommy,
You'll be weak. Don't worry, nurse will come and give you something now that will make you okay. I'm coming. Just stay here and sleep, you hear?
Chinedu, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please, I want to...
I'm coming. Please wait.
I'm with you spiritually.
Chinedu, how are you?
I'm fine.
How's the family?
Family is fine.
How's Chinedu?
It's even the reason I came here now.
Okay.
I don't know. He went to school this morning and came back this same morning. He said he's not feeling fine. His body is not okay.
Not be juju
I don't
be
know.
that.
Nurse. I even thank God that he came back alive.
Because woman.
I don't know if it's another story we'll be talking about, but he's at home now. I just had to come and tell you whether you can follow me to my house, so that you can come and check his vitals and everything to make sure he's okay.
I wish I can follow you, but do you know what? I'm the only one in my shop right now. But do you know, bring Chinedu. Go and bring Chinedu. I will check his body system and he'll be fine.
Yeah.
How do you see that?
I think that is good. No problem, nurse.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
I'll be waiting for you now.
Okay.
Be fast.
Thank you very much.
You're
nurse.
welcome.
I will come now.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
This is why some of us, they call us tribalists, they call us tribal jinn, have to know who we are. Good luck if you like to pretend. The only security for you is independent. The family, if you like pretend, the only security for you is independent. Charlie boy pretend, the only independent.
Chinedu.
Ma?
Chinedu.
Mama?
How are you?
I'm not yet fine.
No
Are
problem.
you still weak?
Yes.
Hi. Sorry. Oh yeah, let's go to pharmacy. No, say I should bring you so she can check your body for you, yeah?
But Mama, I told you not to worry now.
Why will I not worry? Why will I not worry? I will worry. Did you see the way you came back? You came back like zombie, you just fall down. I was scared. Oh, my heart fly away.
Child.
And you're saying that I should not worry. Oh yeah, stand up, let's go. Why? What happened?
Mommy, as I am now, I can't walk. Can you carry me?
What is all this? What is all this?
No problem.
Oh yeah, stand up, let me carry you.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Are you okay?
Yes. Mama Chinedu, according to what I checked, Chinedu is okay. There's nothing wrong with me. Nurse, there's something wrong with me. It's not that I know I'm feeling.
Child.
No, you see, I don't know, even if it's something that you can give him to take, so that he will be okay at all, even if, I don't know.
I know what to give him. I'll give him Chasototus injection.
Chasototus?
Yes, that will be better. Let me get it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, nurse.
Mommy, but I told you that you should give me 2 days. I will be fine.
Chinedu, let her give you the injection. This one will even fasten the illness, so you'll be okay fast. Do you hear me?
There's no two ways about it.
Say na eyes dey pay me and dey waiting me this.
No, not your hand. Your bum bum. Give me your bum bum.
You want to please others and displease yourself. And they never leave you. They have left you. This is why some of us, they call us tribalists, they call us tribal chiefs.
Wait, nurse. I'm feeling fine. Mommy, I'm feeling fine. I was just pretending to be sick so that I'll not go to school. Children of nowadays. And I've opened this injection. This injection is 24,000. Mama Chinedu, you will pay me my money. I don't know how you want to do it.
You were
No,
not welcome.
nurse. Chinedu, what is the meaning of this now? Well, you know the person that was not feeling fine at home just now, and you even fainted. So what are you saying?
No, Mommy, I told you that you should not worry. Just give me 2 days. I'll be fine.
To be mumu.
I should just give you 2 days. I'm with you spiritually.
No problem.
Finalist.
Just be dressing.
Caution.
Very rich.
Where's everybody show now? Alright guys, so it's a wrap on today's shoot. Today's shoot was actually very stressful. Jason, what do you have to say?
I'm so tired and
Come on here.
Oh yeah, Chid, what do you have to say?
The person said that shooting the video is me. I'm very tired. My back will break.
Chid, what do you have to say?
Alright guys, a wrap. Thank you. Watch, comment,
Subscribe.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Sorry, I'm covering my face. I actually have something there. You're going to see it in the video very well. Don't worry, I'm treating it. Alright, thank you all for supporting. Thank you for watching. After watching, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Do not forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next Friday. Thank you for watching. Peace out. We love you. Bye bye.